Welcome back to Foxy TV, episode 221. In this video, we are heading to a job in Kangaroo Point, right near Brisbane City, to see how new carpets and home staging can transform a property. With the trucks loaded at the warehouse, let's drive there now through Monday morning peak hour traffic to get started. Remember, if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please take a second to subscribe as it helps us grow. Now we've arrived, let's unload the truck and go and have a chat with Phoebe.
We're at a little 3-bedroom unit here right on the water in Kangaroo Point. So we consulted on this one probably going back about 12 weeks ago now. And at the time we had elderly owners. We're going to put some photos in here to show you how it looked pre us coming through. So since then, we've done a little bit of reno. So we've replaced the carpet, which I think is one of the most significant things that you can do in a home that has a little bit more of an older feel. Then our job here with the styling is to modernise it. So I wanted to show you the power of furniture as far as modernising a home and making it appeal to a younger target market and not limiting and polarising yourself to an older demographic. We're in Kangaroo Point, we're right on the river, we're right in the city. Traditionally, I would say this is more of our downsizer market where the older demographic is downsizing into a unit. They have amazing lifestyle factors here. However, we're right in the city. There is no reason why this can't appeal to a professional buyer. And that's what we are here for. We can't narrow it down enough that is only a professional buyer. So there's no black, there's no trendy, there's no right on trend pieces that are coming here. You're not going to see all the curved items. We need to appeal to as many as we can without pocketing ourselves. So I want to show you how that comes together. Alright guys, so we are finishing up here in Kangaroo Point. We do a walkthrough. I'm going to talk you through the thoughts and the ideas and the reasons why we've done things a certain way. So if we go to the master bedroom first, you can see in this room we've gone for nice light colours. This property has pretty decent natural light coming through, but not enough natural light that we're going to go with dark, heavy, warm colours that we would traditionally through winter. We've gone for a very light colour palette all the way throughout this property. It is definitely more, I would say, a coastal feel to the colours that we've gone throughout here. Coastal as a colour palette and as a theme throughout a property, it appeals to younger and older audiences. It's not polarising, it photographs really, really well by the real estate photographers. It doesn't change when they do their post-processing. It comes up true to colour. And it's a colour theme that has been on trend for an extremely long time, so it's more of an eternal theme than something that we do that is based a passing by trend. So queen bed, would have loved to get a bed head in here. It wasn't on the truck, but it's still come up absolutely beautiful with the artworks. We've gone with quality artworks all the way throughout. Bedroom 2, pretty self-explanatory. You've got a double bed in there. Again, a light colour scheme, still sticking with that coastal feel that we've got throughout. This one's more of a green coastal. Bedroom 3, this one's a little bit different. Not finished yet, but you'll see the idea. Now, this is where we can target two markets. We can get a single bed in here for grandma and grandpa who are going to have their grandkids here and have visitors over. Or we can appeal to our younger buyers by having this set up more as a study space. We have both in here. We are ticking both boxes. It is not going to fit, not very well for styling anyway for sale, a double bed. We're going to be jammed up against this wall, which is why we have the single bed in here. It's forced us, the shape of this room, to be a single bed. But we didn't just want to do a teepee and make it a kids space because, again, that's not targeting the younger market that we're hoping to also encapsulate. So out to the combined space. So this space we need to capitalise on two things. A, the view. B, making it feel open and airy. So you can see the angle of the sofa. We're facing where the TV is going to be. We haven't gone with a formal space in here. We need to show where the TV can fit. We've got a true to size 6-seater dining in here. It's a 160 centimetre long dining table, really helping to show the size of this space. But overall, it's really light, it's really bright, and it really helps to focus the view on your attention on the most important thing in this entire property, which is that view.
Thanks so much for watching this week's episode of Foxy TV, episode 221. We'll see you next week.